What that means is you can just throw a big wrench in the debt collector's machine in the lawsuit. You really throw them off guard by moving for arbitration. So what you do is first you want to find out if your contract has an arbitration clause. All right, so how do you do that? So go over to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's website. I'll give you a link to this specific page. And they have a ton of helpful resources, very helpful people. They have a credit card agreement database, right? Super awesome. So they have all of the agreements that are for any credit card that's offered in the US. So you just come over here and then you just type in your bank. For this example, we're going to type in Barclays Bank in Delaware. Not a super common, but actually surprisingly common bank. So you're going to come over here, and then you're just going to search the bank and then find the agreement that applies to you. Some of these companies have a lot of store cards, like the Gap credit card, right? But in this case, we're just going to see the standard credit agreement. We're going to open that up. You just click on it to download it, right, and save that to your computer. And then we're just going to open up the contract digitally. Then you can Command F or Control F if you're on a Windows computer, and then search for arbitration. All right, so just type that in. If it shows up with results, then that means that there's going to be an arbitration clause in it. All right. So, like for example, right, this is taking us right to the arbitration clause here highlighted. So this clause, it says some legal mumbo jumbo, at the election of either of us or you, any claim, dispute, or controversy by either you or us against the other, rising from or relating in any way to this agreement or your account, blah, blah, blah. Basically, super long, crazy long sentence as lawyers do. What it's saying is that either of you can request to arbitrate a dispute. And what's more is that this one, like a lot of them actually say, it actually says that the bank will pay for the arbitration. And in this case, the debt collector. Oh, well, that's interesting. So that means, instead of in regular trial court where you're gonna lose because you don't know the rules, and you have to pay for their attorney's fees, which is totally crazy, they actually have to pay for arbitration if they're suing you for the debt. That's a good move, right? So what happens is you can just request for arbitration. That makes the debt collector pay for arbitration if they want to continue pursuing this claim in a trial situation in court, if they want to sue you for the claim. And that's just probably not going to be worth it for them, right? It's probably not going to be worth it. So they're probably just going to stop trying to collect from you. At the very least, you'll be able to then negotiate down the debt, right? Offer them a settlement agreement instead of getting your wages garnished at $5,000 worth of your wages garnished. You can instead offer them a settlement agreement, probably below 50%, right? Maybe $1,000 for a $5,000 debt, right? So that's a great deal, big win for you. So all you do is once you have that, once you find the arbitration clause in there, you're just going to go ahead and make a petition to arbitrate. All right, and that looks like this. Again, we can do this for you at SOLOSUIT.com. Right, it might be pretty scary making your own petition to arbitrate, but you can actually do it for you at SOLOSUIT.com. All right, we're linking to it. Just head over there, make your petition to arbitrate. We'll help you out. It'll save you thousands of dollars.